Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. So, we continue with the discussion for the tutorial week 2, second hour for the non-face-to-face and face-to-face. So, the learning outcomes for this tutorial, students should be able to calculate each of the concentration measurements, which are mole fraction, the symbol is X, percent by mass, the symbol is the percent W per W, and the last one is percentage by the volume, percent V/V. So, we check the question for the NFTF. Number 1, 2, and 3. Let's proceed with the number 1. A sample of rubbing alcohol contains 142 grams of isopropyl alcohol and 58 grams of water. What is the mole fraction of alcohol in water? So, the formula for the mole fraction X of alcohol, C3H7OH, is equal to the mole fraction of C3H7OH divided by total mole of the each component, which is mole of alcohol plus mole of water, because this solution contains two components. So let's calculate the mole of alcohol. So the mole of alcohol is equal to the mass of alcohol divided by molar mass, which is the mass of alcohol is 142 gram divided by molar mass 60 gram per mole. So the answer is 2.367 mole. And then now calculate the mole of water, which is the formula is mass of water divided by molar mass of water. 50 gram mass of water provided divided by 18 gram per mole. And the answer is 3.222 mole of water. So substitute the mole calculated to the mole fraction, which is 2.367 mole of alcohol divided by total mole of the above component, which is this quantity plus this quantity. So you will get the final answer is 0.4235. The mole fraction has no unit, because mole divided by mole, so the unit is cancelled. So no unit for mole fraction. So continue with the question number 2. A sample of 0.892 gram of potassium chloride was dissolved in 54.6 gram of water. What is the percentage by mass of KCl in this solution? So percent by mass of the KCl is equal to the mass of KCl itself per gram divided by mass of solution in gram times 100 to get the percent by mass. So the quantity is mass of the potassium chloride is 0.892 divided by mass of solution, which is the total up of the above component, which is the solute of KCl plus the mass of solvent. Okay, mass of solution as usual, the formula is mass of solute KCl plus mass of solvent water. So we will get the final answer 1.607%. Next, number 3. A 200 ml of perfume contains 28 ml of alcohol. What is the percentage by volume of alcohol in this solution? So provided mass of solution 200 ml and mass of the alcohol 28 milliliter, which is the alcohol is the solute of the solution. So by using the formula, percent by volume of alcohol is equal to the volume of solute. Refer to the volume of alcohol divided by volume of the solution. So the unit is milliliter, milliliter cancel unit times 100. But if the provided question given in unit liter, so the above quantity must in liter. Dengan senang ceritanya, kedua-dua unit kuantiti awal ni mesti dalam unit yang sama lah. Sama ada ml ataupun l. So, substitute the volume of alcohol and volume of the perfume in the formula times 100. You will get the final answer 14% of the percentage by volume. Okay? So that's all for the non-face-to-face question. So continue with the face-to-face question, which is 2 questions. Let's proceed with the first question number 2. a sample of ammonia in H3 has a molality 1.6 molal. Molar stand for mole per kilogram. Okay, kena ingat mole per kilogram. And has density 0.9 gram per milliliter. Calculate the percent by weight of ammonia. So let's come up with the formula of the question. So the question asks to calculate the percent by mass, the formula. And then the provided data is molality and density. So check the mass of solute and mass of solution. So you can use the molality quantity to assume the mass of solvent, which is 1 kilogram or 1000 gram, and substitute this assumption to the formula of the molality. So 1.6 molality provided in question equals to mole of solute divided by 1 kilogram, the assumption that made from the first step. So you will get the mole of solute for the ammonia 1.6 mole. So the question asks to calculate the percent by mass, which is the mass of solute. So how to calculate the mass of solute? By using the mole of solute. So by using the same formula, mole of solute times molar mass of solute 1.6 times 17 gram per mole for the molar mass of ammonia. So you will get 27.2 gram of the mass of solute. Next, how to calculate the mass of solution? So by using the previous formula, mass of solution equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent, which is 27.2 gram plus 1000. So you will get 1027.2 gram, the mass of solution. Substitute the above quantity of the mass to this formula, which is 27.2 gram divided by 1027.2 multiplied by 100. So you need gram cancel. If the data provided in kilogram, so the above data kilogram and kilogram. So you can cancel the unit and get the final answer in percent unit, such as 2.648%. So the last one, the question number 3. Wine has a typical alcohol contain, which is 12% by volume. If the alcohol is 24 milliliter, what is the volume of the wine? So by using the formula percent by volume, okay, percent by volume provided data equal to volume of solute referred to the alcohol divided by volume of the solution, which is the wine itself, multiplied by 100. So volume of solution provided, not provided, the volume of alcohol provided 24 milliliter. So you need to calculate the volume of the solution. So substitute 12% equals to 24 milliliter volume of solute, which is alcohol, divided by volume of the wine, which is the volume of the solution, multiplied by 100. So the final answer, the volume of wine is 200 milliliter. Okay. So settle for the non-face-to-face and non-face-to-face. So this is the sum question for the additional question. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I hope all the students try to answer the additional question as the enrichment for your content knowledge. That's all for today. Thank you.